Let's see if that's facing the right way. Hi, it's Paul from Wrangler's World. I don't know if you've seen that in a video or two of ours, how much our Jeep rocks back and forth, and I'm not too happy with the suspension. We got a 2021 Jeep Rubicon JLU 4-door. Anyway, the shocks are a little bit to be desired, and it's a rough ride. It can wear you out. But I was thinking, upgrade the suspension. Got no lift or anything like that, so gonna have to do it here in the driveway. And to do that, I need some sort of lift. I didn't want to spend too much, so I went to Harbor Freight and picked me up this. It's a Harbor Freight Badland 3-ton off-road jack. Something you can use off the road, but it's pretty heavy. Let's put it together. My handy dandy big boy knife. And open it up. Let's do this. Guess you're wondering what kind of shocks we got to smooth this thing out. Well, here they are. Not supposed to cut toward yourself, I know. Cute. Box shocks. Accutune tunes it to your vehicle, your standards, your driving, and your vehicle weight. This here is the left rear, I believe. It is. Oh. Sweating a bit here. Hopefully it cools down a little bit tomorrow when I can install these. But it's got the adjustable DSC for high speed and low speed adjustment. Speed of the shaft, that is. That's what she said. Here they are, nicely marked. Tuned for Wrangler's rig. Oh, look at those babies. Oh yeah. Halfway through the rear shock install, and I actually did this Terraflex leveling kit too, because we were sagging about an inch or so in the back because of all the weight on top. In any case, this is where we're at in the driveway. It's supposed to get 100 degrees today, so I got the awning out on this side and the back, and then I got this other awning going on here to shade this side. But we're back to, got to get this one spring into the right place and raise that back up, bolt the shocks on, and we'll be done. Give you a little insight on the amount of work goes into this thing, but not trying to hurry. Done on the Jeep with the shocks, and wanted to just show you what it looks like and how to access the adjustments. So it's sitting nice and level now. It's a little bit down in the back, but it looks a lot better than it did. Anyway, got the shocks in there. Remote reservoir down here with the adjustments. Got a low speed adjustment here. And then high speed shaft movement here. This got 10 clicks, I think, and this one's got 12 or vice versa. So that's kind of a nice convenient spot for that. The back, not as convenient because it's piggybacked. So the adjustments are down here. It's a little less convenient to get to, but I mean, how often do you go after it? Looks like I banged that with a rock on that last trip. Don't see any major damage, but I did bottom out on the rocks. And let me tell you what, it's a night and day difference. A couple of things that I wanted to solve as far as the ride goes, and you guys might have the same problem, guys and gals. Once you load it all down with 160 pound rooftop tent, and then this thing's probably, I don't know, 80 pounds, and then we have the fridge in the back and the drawers that I made, and then that shelf back there. I can show you. I made these drawers. This shelf's all steel. I want to replace that with an aluminum version. And we got water here. That's 8 pounds per gallon. And then the fridge. So it's got to be pushing 500 plus pounds added to the thing, weight wise. But I like the lift the way it is. I don't want to lift it anymore. I probably won't go with 37s. I say that now. But in the end, who knows, when these wear out, I'll revisit that. But there you go. Like I said, I was trying to solve two things. One was driving down the road and you hit like manhole covers or some sort of seam that goes all the way across, like a bridge or something like that, where a seam goes all the way across. It would just hit with a bang, with the shocks that came with it. I don't know, probably because of the weight. I mean, we got the bumper on the front. It weighs a good, 250 pounds or more. And then on off-road stuff, we also had that bang when you would hit potholes or, like where water stands and stuff like that. You're driving down the gravel roads and you hit something. Usually they're hiding in the shadows. And then also the rocking motion, because being the rooftop tent so high, it would rock a lot and it would take a while to settle out. Like you'd be going, head bobbling back and forth. I would end up just having to come to a complete stop and let it settle out and then start going again. But between those two things, it would take its toll and wear you out, when you're out on the trail. So changing those shocks out was a game changer. Because last weekend I went out with the guys and it was night and day difference. I never got any hard bangs, even on the road. And then with the back and forth, I would get like a and just one. It would be like one bob without the ole. So anyway, it's a lot better, and I would recommend this to anybody. These are Fox Elite Series with the remote reservoir, I think is the name of them. I'll verify that and put a link in the description. But just thought I'd share that with you. If you like this video, hit a like and subscribe. I'd love to have you along on all of our trips, and hit a notification so when we get new videos out, you can watch them.